I'm making something really delicious. Eggs, salt, Morton Nature seasoned garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, accent, beef and broccoli seasoning mix, beef, sweet onion, yum yum sauce light, soy sauce, stir fry oil, Maggi. I just love that. I love to add that. Broccoli, green onions, and rice, white rice. Go ahead and add your beef into the bowl and then add your seasonings. Now you're going to go ahead and mix everything together in your bowl. And now we're going to add the beef and broccoli seasoning mix. You need water, soy sauce, oil, and now add the seasoning mix and stir, stir, stir. Add that to your beef and stir. Go ahead and place this into a crock pot. We're going to get this beef nice and tender, well seasoned. Let's make our rice. Now I've let my rice soak in garlic powder and onion powder. I'm cooking this in the rice cooker. Add some oil. Now these are my onions. I went ahead and seasoned my onions. These are the eggs. I'm adding some Maggi because I love to add Maggi. So I've added some seasoning and Maggi to the eggs. Stir fry oil in my iron wok. Add the eggs. I'm going to cook this a little bit first. Now go ahead and add the onions. Cook some more. There it is. Now, let's do this again with our cooking oil. Add that rice. There's that Maggi again. Soy sauce. And let's start cooking. Add that delicious broccoli. Add soy sauce. Maggi again. Cook more. Now here's our egg and onions that we've already cooked, but we're going to cook this now a little more, putting on the final finishing touches. And there it is. Look at this delicious beef and broccoli. Isn't this absolutely mouth-watering? I'm telling you, the flavor is bursting. There's that yum yum sauce. And by the way, stay tuned to the very end. I'm going to show you a secret on how you could steam your broccoli. So keep watching. Yeah, but in the meantime, go ahead and get a fork. Wash your hands. Look at your plate of food just for you. So delicious, tender. Oh, what a wonderful dish to make. Make it for yourself. Make it for your loved one. Look at that. Keep watching. I have a wonderful tip for you at the end of this video. Delicious. Here's the bonus tip. So we are going to steam our broccoli. So if you don't have a steamer, simply get a pot, place it on your stove, and find a strainer. All right. And you're going to add some water. Make sure you don't really want that water to go above the holes in your strainer. Go ahead and add your broccoli to the strainer. Turn your stove on to a medium heat. Cover your broccoli and let it steam. There it is. It doesn't take long at all. Look at that fresh, delicious broccoli. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. I will see you next time.